Hello, friends, and happy Monday. Now, I realize that most people reset on Sundays, but for those who work shift work or work weekends, I should say, or for those of us who are retired, we don't always reset on Sunday. I reset on Mondays. Mondays work for me because hubby has gone back to work. We've already had our great weekend, and I didn't spend Sunday resetting. So I reset on Mondays, and today is Monday. So today I'm going to reset. I'm changing linen, I'm cleaning the bathroom, and mainly it's resetting our area of the house. Guest room's still fine. Office may need a little tidying, but our bedroom, our bathroom, and my kitchen need a reset. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to invite you to come on in for a Monday reset. So right now, friends, while my linen is going through the laundry, I am going to go into the bathroom and start cleaning it. I am killing two birds with one stone instead of stopping. So friends, I know you see that ring around my washer. That is not dirt. I do send my washer through the cleaning, and I clean it out often. Someone in the house was dyeing a pair of jeans, and they used my washer instead of going to the laundromat. And I cannot get that ring out. If you have any suggestions as to what I can use to get that out, I've tried Awesome, I've tried bleach, I've done the washer cleaner, the tabs you put in, and nothing removes that. And I'm thinking it has to wear out the way that color does from fabrics and that kind of thing. But if you know of something, let me know in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate that.
reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, take me, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a lover instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name. Sunrise is dancing up on the rooftop bar. Don't really need to talk. I'm reading the silence. I think it's pretty clear. I'm always so sincere. Oh, take me, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a lover instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name. relax and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me.
Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. This was my Monday reset. I do not reset on Sundays. Let me know in the comments below. Are you retired? Do you work different shifts or days of the week? Is the reset on Sunday difficult for you? If it is, choose another day. No one says we're tied to a reset on Sunday. We reset when it's convenient for us. Remember, this is your home. You have to take care of your homemaking your way. The important thing is that you do it. That's the important thing. So, this was my Reset Monday. I've enjoyed bringing it to you. As always, I hope that you will find something today to bring joy into your life. When you do, share that joy with someone else. I love you guys. My ride or dies, you know how I feel about you. New subscribers, I want to say welcome. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care, and remember, it's your home.